King Kong versus Godzilla shirt.
Look at this.
Okay, man. Show him. Can I show you how baby looks like? MMX. It's not MAX. MMX. And he's a cutie pie. Oh, he's so adorable. Look at Emmett's face. That one is a vacuum when I already when the Iklan, right? Yeah, and so okay, color. Guys, are you ready? Mom, are you ready, Mom? Are you ready? Yeah. Let me just pull it from down.
Yeah.
Mom, wait. Look, Mom. That's so cool. Let me do this as my TV.
You gonna play with it?
Yeah. MMX Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner.
300 watts.
See, it can just suck everything. And if we look down there, we can see that all the dust is appearing. Let's pull this out, guys. Open it. Whoa! Yay!
So we got this.
Bench. You got a bench.
Okay.
I need this bench.
Manuals.
Ooh.
And this is like a card. For
Hey, guys.
next to you.
This is so cool.
That's a card. Next to card.
One. We got a one.
One.
Then we got this extra.
This part.
And this one. This one, Mommy.
Oh, so soft.
It's like a bear skin.
Okay.
We got this thing
I wonder what this for.
and this one. We got the dangerous wire. This thing is actually the back of
And we got this.
this is for the head. And hey, are you excited, guys? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this part.
And last one. The shaver.
What are you doing, Kaka?
Can I do it? Mama,
It's
can
quite
I-
heavy.
It's not heavy. Not heavy.
It's like this, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
You know what? This is temporary. It's nothing at all. Oh, so it's like this. Not like this, like this. Well, I know this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. No.
Tak, itu simpan.
Let's see. Oh my god, look! Oh my god, that bird just been sucked! Hey, you Harry, you're gonna be sucked! You're gonna be sucked too, don't
Is it easy to use?
It have a light to stop.
Yes. There's lights too. They suck that in.
And then suck that out.
Oh,
It's so fast. Look at that. Can you first? Yeesh. I'm gonna suck you. Not you. You're gonna be sucked. It blows too. It blows wind. This is actually a special one.
it's blowing your hair.
He just sucked her hair. Let me suck it. I'm the cracker. I'm gonna suck so much. Watch out! Here's some bait. I will suck it.
Good. Can you suck that one? There. There's the little one. Yeah. This
I
one-
sucked it in
Yeah,
one. I
it's
got
good.
some bait. I sucked it in one shot. I sucked it in one shot.
Yeah. It's really strong. Yeah, that one. That one. See? You guys eating krepek.
Oh, look
Habis
at
dah.
that! Look at that! Woo!
This is what we got for today.
When we turn it on, I will become big, guys.
What do you think about our new vacuum?
Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Is it easy to use?
Yeah, this is easier because see, it's not dirty.
Are you sure after this you can help mommy vacuum the house?
Yeah, so you can just relax and take care of the baby.
Aww, that's so nice of you, Kakak.
And
Aww.
stuff over here, and you have lights. It's just like a car.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
like a car. The light is right here.
Mhm.
Look at this, Mama.
So, Izzuddin, can you help mommy after this? Vacuum the carpet?
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today.
Thank you for watching. Bye. And click the bell icon. Bye.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Okay, now you guys have to bath. You guys have to buy so sweaty.